Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while our device home screen, and after that we can see here the widgets icon. After that we'll see here all the available applications, what widgets we can add. For example, let's add the calendar widget. Here we can see two different types of the widgets, the full month view and the just shadow. Just to add the widget, click to the widget once with a finger, and after that we can see that it's added automatically to our home screen. If you want to just resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move it here on the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it. By the same way, we can move widgets between the screen just by the same hold and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen. And just to remove it, hold it for a while and tap the remove icon, then confirm your action by clicking to remove widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.